The students in a class are made to stand equally in rows. If three students are extra in each row, there would be one row less. If three students are less in a row, there would be three more rows. Find the number of students. So, so let us take the number of rows as, uh, let us say they are m, and the number of students will be standing column wise, right? So let it be n. Okay, so let's start with the sum by saying let number of students in each row be n, and let the number of rows be m. Let the number of rows be m. So what happens is, because every row has n students and there are m rows, then the total number of students will be m into n. So the total number of students is m into n. And now let's put the conditions, whatever conditions they have given. If three students, first condition is, if three students, let me change the color. If three students are extra in each row, there would be one row less. So this means, if three students are extra in each row means that the number of students uh, which are in each row n will increase by 3. So first condition says that if n is increased by 3, there would be one row less. M would automatically be reduced by 1, but the number of students will still remain same. So this will be n into m. So if you solve this equation, you will get nm minus n plus 3m minus 3 would be equal to nm. Cancel out nm from both sides. You will get 3. You will get 3m minus n is equal to 3. So this is the first equation. Next, take the second condition. The second condition says, if three students are less in a row, three students less, it means n will be reduced by 3. If three students are less in a row, there would be three more rows. So if n is less than 3, n is reduced by 3, m will increase by 3. So number of rows will increase by 3. But again, the number of students will still remain same, which is m into n or n into m, whatever. So if you solve this, you will get nm plus 3n minus 3m minus 9 is equal to nm. Cancel out nm from both sides, and you will get 3 times n minus m is equal to 9, which means n minus m is equal to 3. So these are linear equations. Solve these linear equations. So I'll bring this over there, and I'll get minus m plus n is equal to 3. Add these two equations, this will get cancelled. You will get 3 minus 1, that is 2m, will be equal to 3 plus 3, which is 6. So 2m is equal to 6. This means m is equal to 3. If m is equal to 3, substitute m in over here. You will get n minus 3 is equal to 3. So n will be equal to 3 plus 3, which is 6. If m is 3, n is 6, then n into m will be equal to 18. This is the answer. So total number of students will be 18. If you want to verify it by putting it any one of these equations. So if n is 6 and if m is 3, then you will get 6 plus 3 is 9 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 into 2, you will get the answer as 18, which is n into m. That is what we have got. So this is the answer. Okay, let's move on to next question.